The Roper Whitney AB1212K AutoBrake combines power and precision to meet a broad range of fabrication demands. With its automatic material thickness adjustment feature, the AB1212K adapts the folding beam in real time for a range of materials. This ensures high-quality bends without manual intervention. All tooling on this machine comes standard as hardened tooling. This includes kombi boxed tooling, upper jaw, lower jaw, and bending bars. Both clamping tools are segmented for easy replacements. The back gauge comes standard as a U shape to help the operator operate from the back of the machine to easily handle heavy materials. The Synergy Control System. This touchscreen interface enhances user interaction, allowing you to draw, edit, and save profiles directly on the screen. To learn more about the AutoBrake 1212 Kombi and all the available options, please visit our website at roperwhitney.com or give us a call today. Thank you so much for watching.